Boy, entering the store. Hi, how's it going? Staff. Hello, welcome to our pet store. How can I help you today? Boy. I just got a new pet and I need to buy some supplies. I'm looking for food, toys, bedding, and a few other things. Staff. Great. What kind of pet did you get? Boy. I got a dog. It's my first time having a pet, so I'm not really sure what I need. Staff. No problem. We can help you with that. What kind of dog do you have? Boy. He's a medium-sized puppy, about 6 months old. Staff. Awesome, that's a fun age. Let's start with food and go from there. Boy. I'm not sure what kind of food I should get for him. What do you recommend? Staff. For a medium-sized puppy, I'd recommend a balanced diet. We have dry food, wet food, and even some raw food options. Dry food is usually more convenient and helps keep his teeth clean. Wet food is great if you want to mix it with dry food for extra moisture. Raw food can be a bit more expensive, but it's a more natural option. Boy. I think I'll go with dry food. What brand would be good for a puppy? Staff. We have a few good brands. This one is high in protein and great for growing puppies. It's specifically made for their energy needs and development. This one here is a bit more affordable, but still a healthy option. Boy. Sounds good. What about treats? I want to use them for training. Staff. We have soft treats that are great for training. They're small and easy for him to eat quickly. They're also low in calories, which is good because you'll be giving him quite a few for training. Boy. Great. I'll take some of those too. What about toys? I want to keep him entertained and help him with teething. Staff. For puppies, chew toys are a must. They help with teething and keep them from chewing on furniture. We have these rubber toys that are perfect for puppies, and this one squeaks, which can keep him interested for a while. Interactive toys like this ball that rolls on its own are also great for keeping him active. Boy. I think he'd love the squeaky one. I also need bedding. What's best for a puppy? Staff. For puppies, I'd suggest a soft bed with enough space for him to grow into. If you want, we have memory foam beds that are good for joint support, but a simple cushioned bed will work just fine for now. If he tends to get cold, we also have heated beds. Boy. I'll go with the cushioned bed for now. I'm sure he'll be fine with that. Boy. What kind of care does he need? How often should I feed him? Staff. For a 6-month-old puppy, you should be feeding him 3 times a day. Make sure to follow the feeding guidelines on the food bag based on his weight. As he gets older, you can switch to 2 meals a day. Boy. How about grooming? Do I need to brush him every day? Staff. For now, brushing him a couple of times a week is enough, especially if he's not shedding a lot yet. When he's older and starts shedding more, you might want to brush him daily. Also, make sure to trim his nails every couple of weeks. Boy. What about bath time? How often should I bathe him? Staff. You don't need to bathe him too often, maybe once a month or whenever he gets dirty. Puppies have sensitive skin, so you don't want to bathe him too often, as it can dry out his skin. Boy. Good to know. What about his living space? Do I need to do anything special to make him comfortable? Staff. Definitely. Puppies need a quiet, safe space where they can relax. Make sure his bed is in a comfortable area where he feels secure. You'll also want to set up a small area for him to eat, drink, and play. As he gets older, you can add more toys to keep him entertained. Boy. That sounds simple enough. Is there anything I should watch out for, health-wise? Staff. With puppies, you want to watch out for things like fleas, ticks, or any signs of discomfort. If he starts scratching a lot, it could be a sign of fleas. Also, make sure he's getting his vaccinations and regular vet checkups. If he starts acting differently, like being more tired or refusing to eat, take him to the vet right away. Boy, thanks for the advice. I'm still new to this, so it's good to know what to expect. Boy, by the way, do you guys offer pet adoption here? Staff, yes, we do. We have a few dogs and cats available for adoption. Are you interested in adopting another pet or just curious about the process? Boy, I've been thinking about it and I actually want to adopt a pet. Can you tell me which animals are available for adoption right now? Staff, of course, we have a few dogs and cats available. We just got some new puppies in and we also have some adult dogs. For cats, we have both kittens and adult cats looking for homes. Boy, that's great. What kind of dogs do you have? Staff, right now we have a mix of breeds. There's a lab mix, a terrier, and a couple of smaller dogs like chihuahuas and poodles. All of them are friendly and good with families. Boy, what about the cats? How old are they? Staff, the cats range from about 6 months to 2 years old. Some of them are a little more independent, while others are very affectionate and love being around people. Boy, I'm more interested in adopting a dog. What's the temperament like for the puppies? Staff, the puppies are very playful and active. They've been raised in a foster home, so they're used to being around people. They're all very social and enjoy being with other dogs too. Boy, that sounds perfect. How old are they? Staff, they're all between 3 and 6 months old, so they're still learning and adjusting. They'll need some training, but they're ready to go to a good home. Boy, what about their health? Are they all up to date on their vaccinations? Staff, yes, they're fully vaccinated and they've been dewormed. We make sure all our animals are healthy before they're available for adoption. Boy, that's good to hear. I'm really looking for a puppy, so I think I'll go with one of the puppies. Boy, what do I need to do to adopt one of these puppies? Are there any requirements? Staff, first we'll have you fill out an adoption application. We'll ask about your living situation, whether you have a yard, and your experience with pets. After that, we'll do a home visit to make sure it's a safe environment for the pet. Boy, a home visit? What does that involve? Staff, it's a quick visit. We just want to make sure you have a comfortable space for the dog. We also check that there's no danger around the house, like unsafe areas or toxic plants. We just want to ensure the puppy will be in a good home. Boy, that makes sense. Do I need to provide anything for the home visit? Staff, just be prepared to show where the puppy will sleep, eat, and play. We also ask if you have any other pets, so we can make sure everyone will get along. Boy, got it. Are there any other requirements? Staff, you'll also need to provide proof of identity, like a driver's license, and proof of address, such as a utility bill. That's all standard for adoption. Boy, what about vaccinations? I know I need to keep up with those. Staff, yes, the puppy will be up to date on his vaccinations, but we'll give you a schedule for any upcoming ones. You'll need to make sure you take the puppy to the vet for checkups and booster shots. Boy, sounds good. What about adoption fees? Is there a cost involved? Staff, yes, the adoption fee is $150. That helps cover the cost of vaccinations, spaying or neutering, and any other medical expenses. It's a one-time fee, and it's much less than buying a dog from a breeder. Boy, that's reasonable. What does the fee cover exactly? Staff, it covers the cost of the dog's medical care, vaccinations, deworming, and spaying or neutering. It also helps us keep the shelter running and provides care for future animals that come in. Boy, okay, I'm ready to move forward. What's the next step in the process? Staff, great. The next step is filling out the application form. Once that's done, we'll schedule a home visit. After the visit, if everything goes well, You'll sign the adoption contract, and we'll arrange for you to pick up your puppy. Boy. How long does the home visit usually take? Staff. It's pretty quick, usually about 30 minutes. We just want to make sure everything is safe and that you're prepared to take care of the puppy. Boy. And when can I pick up the puppy? Staff. Once the home visit is approved, you can pick up the puppy the same day or the next day, depending on your schedule. We'll make sure you have everything you need, like food and a bed, to get started. Boy. That sounds good. Is there anything else I need to know? Staff. Just make sure you're ready for the responsibility. Puppies require a lot of attention, especially in the first few months. You'll need to train him, take him on walks, and make sure he's getting enough exercise and socialization. Boy, I'm ready for that. I've been doing a lot of research and I'm excited, Steph. That's great. We'll be here to support you with any questions along the way. You're doing the right thing by being prepared. Boy, thank you so much for all your help today. I really appreciate the information about the adoption process. Staff, you're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions or need anything else, don't hesitate to ask. Boy, I'll fill out the application right now, and I'm looking forward to bringing the puppy home. Staff, sounds like a plan. Good luck with your new puppy, and I hope you both have a great time together. We'll be here whenever you need us. Boy, thanks again. I'll be in touch soon to finish the process. Staff, take care, and I'm sure your new puppy will be lucky to have you. Find the mistake. Incorrect. I need to show where the puppy will sleep, eat, and playing. Correct. I need to show where the puppy will sleep, eat, and play. Explanation. The verb playing should be play because it follows the verb will, which requires the base form of the verb. Incorrect. The dog is fully vaccinated and he had been dewormed. Correct. The dog is fully vaccinated and he has been dewormed. Explanation. Had been is incorrect here because it should be in the present perfect tense, has been. Dewormed is also the correct past participle form. 5 vocabulary words. Adopt, to take a pet into your home and care for it as your own. Temperament, the way an animal behaves, such as being friendly, calm, or active. Vaccinations, shots given to pets to protect them from diseases. Proof of identity, a document that shows who you are, like a driver's license. Schedule, a plan that shows when things will happen, like when to take the pet to the vet. If you want to know what questions to ask before renting an apartment, click the video here or follow the link in the description.